How to clear temporary files on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear temporary files on Microsoft Teams easy and fast. So first thing, go to the app Microsoft Teams and now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now after you click on it, go to the settings and choose the third option, data and storage, and here you will find a lot of options. Choose clear temporary files and successfully cleared the temporary files, as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.